Uploading your photo to New Look Now is easy, fast, safe, and secure. We can do the whole thing in about a minute. First, you choose Upload Your Photo, and then you'll select your area of concern. From there, you'll tell us about the symptoms that you're bothered by. And the next step is to actually upload your photo. From there, you'll enter your name, your email address, zip code, and phone number. Whether or not you already have an appointment with a physician, and agree to our terms of service. And that's it. Your order will be complete in 24 business hours.